Introducing Napoleon's built-in 500 series, an all-stainless steel lineup, including a 32-inch grill head, plus 10-inch and 12-inch range side burner options that provide versatile design solutions for your backyard oasis. The 32-inch gas grill is built with 4 stainless steel burners protected by dual-level stainless steel sear plates for infusing flavor and providing consistent, even cooking on the shot-blasted stainless steel iconic Wave cooking grids, which ensures stylish longevity and unparalleled performance. With Napoleon's failsafe JETFIRE ignition system, light burners instantly with a jet of flame. Included on this grill head is the ACCU-PROBE temperature gauge for precise temperature control to ensure searing, smoking, roasting, and baking with ease. The built-in 500 series include 2 side burner options, a single as well as a front-to-back inline-style double-range side burner, providing extra space ideal for creating sauces and side dishes. Ignite these burners instantly with the fail-safe, battery-free ignition controlled by ergonomic chrome-plated control knobs, boasting a sleek and refined design. Mix and match with Oasis cabinets and create a 5-star meal without leaving home. Choose to optimize your outdoor living space with Napoleon's built-in 500 series.